Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for a new DIY or sewing video every Monday. In this video, I'm going to share how I'm going to make my winter body cream. Personally, do not like how body butters or body bars feel on my skin. I feel they are really thick and do not spread on the skin as well. I am big on DIY, so I wanted to make something on my own. I'm also someone who likes things being as natural as possible, so I didn't want to add any preservatives to my cream or lotion. I was trying to make something that's more moisturizing and nourishing and easy to glide, but at the same time doesn't require addition of aloe vera gel or water to it, because addition of aloe vera gel or water would require addition of preservatives. It is also going to have a longer shelf life. I also feel this is an excellent gifting idea because it's winter and it's Christmas time, so it can make a perfect gifting idea too. The recipe that I makes one mason jar of this size. So this is a 250 ml mason jar. As you can see, this is a really creamy lotion kind of thing, and very little goes really long way. Highly moisturizing, very nourishing during the winter months, and it makes my skin feel so soft and supple. I would like to add that this cream has worked wonders on my super itchy baby bump. Since I started using this cream, my bump itches less. This cream doesn't keep really well in summer months, or if you live in areas where the temperatures are really high. If you still want to try this cream, then probably it would be a good idea to keep it in the refrigerator. Yeah, so if you tried my recipe, if you tried making my cream, please let me know in the comments below and let me know how you like it. You will need really basic ingredients to make this cream. You will need half a cup of shea butter, 1/4 cup of almond oil or any lightweight oil like olive oil or avocado oil, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 to 2 drops of vitamin E oil. This is optional, but you could add about 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil as well. Add all these ingredients to a blender, and at this point you could add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Once completely blended, pour this into a sterile and clean mason jar. This is a super creamy and highly moisturizing and nourishing lotion. Your skin would quickly absorb it and love you for it. This also makes a super gifting idea, so tuck this away in a really cute bag and give it away to your loved ones. There you have it, super easy winter cream. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.